Like, subscribe. We have so beautiful and an amazing photo. And guys, I would go on that brushes options where such kinds of brushes could be chosen for the pictures, like these ones. So today they are taking a little bit time. So these are the also brushes options on it, where we could withdraw the lines like that, and here we could make it like that. Now guys, at that point we could draw such kinds of shapes on the image, which you have to watch on the screen. So dear guys, here we could make the border on it. I have to choose that one, outer side border. Now I have to choose that one, inner side border for the photo.